Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sma. To the golden oldies, welcome back, and if you are new to the channel, you are also welcome. So today I'm back with another video, and it's bread recipe. Yes, another bread recipe. It's a quick and simple one, and we are making naan bread. So before we continue with the video, please don't forget to like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel so we can grow this channel together. Okay, so as I mentioned, we are making naan bread. I hear some of you asking, what is the difference between naan bread and pita bread? Well, the answer is simple. The main differences between the two flat breads is the ingredients and the texture of the bread. So that is a topic for another day. So today I'm just going to continue here now with the recipe, and in here I've already measured out my flour and salt. A quick run through of the entire ingredients. I have warm water, plain yogurt, 1 egg, some olive oil, yeast, and sugar. So all the measurements for the ingredients will be listed in the description box. So I'm just going to quickly mix this, and then I'm going to add my yeast and the sugar. So now here is the difference with putting the dough together. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients separately and then the wet ingredients separately, and then combine them afterwards. So I have a clean bowl, and I'm going to add my warm water, the oil, the yogurt, and I'm going to crack my egg separately as per usual, just to make sure that the egg is still fresh. And I'm going to put it in there, give it a bit of a whisk just to combine everything. Okay, give it a mix and pour this in here. Now I've only measured out 2.5 cups of flour in here. You might need about 3 cups, and we'll introduce the rest of the flour when we start kneading the dough. So I'm just going to mix this until it forms a dough, and then we'll start kneading then. Okay, so I'm going to flour my surface to prevent the dough from sticking when I start to knead. And I'm not going to knead this for long. It's only going to be for about 3 minutes max, just until the dough is combined and is soft. Okay, so looks just about right, and I'm going to use the same bowl that I used. Just going to put a bit of oil to prevent the dough from sticking to the sides when rising, and going to put it back in here. And I have a damp dishcloth. Going to cover the dough with the dishcloth and put it in the oven warmer drawer. Just put it somewhere warm and let it proof for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. So our dough is ready and it has doubled in size, so I'm just going to punch it down, put a bit of flour on my surface, and I'm just going to just cut it. Okay, and now I'm just going to shape it into a ball just to make it easier for me to roll the dough out. Just going to flour my rolling pin a bit and start rolling. We are ready for frying and my stove is already hot on medium heat. I'm just going to spray this pot with a non-stick spray. Use a non-stick pan if you have, and there you go. We're going to cook this for about 2 minutes on one side, and when it starts to brown, we'll turn it. We are done frying and this is what we ended up with. I'm just going to break one for you guys so you can see. The texture is very soft, it's light and it's fluffy, it's not very heavy. So this is what you need to look out for. And another thing that I've done, I've brushed the bread with some melted butter and sprinkled with some paprika. You can also just make your garlic butter and that would also taste good. So that is it for the video, guys. Please remember to share, like and comment if you do like the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. Until the next video, stay safe.